minute. I'm going to show you how to make flips. We're going to start with prepping out the flip dough. Each store was given a flip pan. You need to find it at your store. Spray it with the pan spray. Take a 5-ounce calzone shell and spread it to the edges of the pan. What you want to do with this then is after you get it spread, you want to stick it in the oven for about 1.5 minutes, then flip it and stick it in for another 1.5 minutes on the other side, then pull it out, and I'll show you once I get to that point what it's going to look like. Okay, I've baked the flip dough. This oven took 1.5 minutes on one side and then 1 minute on the other, so make sure you check with your food service manager and see what your times are, because as I said, each oven varies, so you want to make sure you're not burning it. The flip dough should be just barely done, not doughy, but yet not hard. It should be pliable. When you take it out of the oven, you should be able to do this and not break it. If it breaks, it was cooked too long. So you want to make sure that you're not overcooking. Now I'm going to show you how to make a whole Italian flip. It's one set of Italian meat plus one slice of each meat. You want to spread that across one whole side of it. Then you want to put your provolone cheese, 2 slices on top of the meat. And we're going to stick this in the oven until the cheese begins to melt. Now the set toppings for an Italian flip are lettuce, tomato, onions, and mild peppers. I'm going to show you how to make it using the set recipe. If the customers request something other than that, then you may absolutely do that for them. But I just want to show you the actual set recipe. Check your recipe book for portioning amounts. And then you want to drizzle the Italian dressing over the top. The reason these have the name flips is because you're going to flip this in order to make it the full sandwich. You flip the back up over the front. You want to cut it in half. To serve it to customers, you use one of the 9-inch pizza boxes. And that's it.
Got a minute, make it Nittany. Nittany Minute Mart. Saving minutes and money for you. Fill your tank and grab a meal. Combination coffee too. Quick and fast, in a hurry.